Right, you're welcome. So now we are looking at how you can link your WhatsApp business account to your Facebook business page. Alright, so do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and as well share the video. Okay, first of all, you have to log into your Facebook account that owns or hold the Facebook business page. Alright, so and locate your page, the page you want to have the business account on. Right, so you click on the page so that you switch to the page, then you locate your professional dashboard. Okay, then from there you go to linked accounts, so you click on linked accounts. Then from there you click on WhatsApp. So if you want to connect Instagram, it's the same process, but what we want to do now is to connect our WhatsApp business accounts. So you click on this, then you enter your WhatsApp business number. Then you are going to be requested to put in a code that will be sent to you, that's to your WhatsApp. Then enter the code and then you confirm. So okay, so here we are. So this contact business accounts is already linked to a page. All right, so if that's your case as well, you can just switch, all right, and confirm it. Okay, all right, so you have successfully connected your Facebook page with WhatsApp account, and that is all. Thank you. All right, so here we are. It's successfully connected now. Okay, you can see this is the contact here. So if you want to remove it, you can simply remove it from here, and that's all. Thank you.